I'm Nat.
Hi, I'm Jo.
And today we're looking at what's new at Hobbybase HQ. And we've got loads of goodies for you, loads of festive goodies.
Yay!
Paper cuts dies from Creative Expressions. We've got loads of stamps from Sweet Dixie and some dies from Xcut. So let's take a look. Okay, so first up we've got the Paper Cuts Craft Dies by Creative Expressions. Jo, tell us what you're thinking about these.
I absolutely love this range. I mean, they're just so cute. They are standalone cards, which makes them special anyway. My grandson would absolutely love any of these.
Yeah, they're so fun.
Absolutely, you've got everything from sort of for babies, for their first Christmas card.
Yes, good idea. The rocking horse.
Yeah,
first baby,
first Christmas. And
first
any
Christmas,
of these, they are just such fun. You can use them for children and adults.
Yeah.
You can obviously add in little bits. You know, you could put in sort of little snowflakes hanging down, or just really make it your own.
And
but they are
really
such
great.
fun.
Yeah,
Absolutely.
Really great. So there's 5 in the set, in the range, sorry. And then the other ones were this polar bear.
You've got the mouse, which I love because you've got a little bottle, so that would be great for an adult, you know, anyone who likes their champagne or whatever at Christmas, that would be lovely, or the holly for little children. And finally, the penguin.
Oh, they are so cute.
With a baby.
Love it. Cool, so that was the Papercraft, that paper cut stuff from Creative Expressions. Now let's take a look at the stamp range from Sweet Dixie.
Right. There's such a wide range of stamp styles here that are absolutely beautiful. I just pop them there, we can see. You've got the sentiments, which again, you know, I say you can use a lot of these all year round. Good value for money sentiments.
Quite a few in that pack as
absolutely
well,
loads, you know, husband, girlfriend, boyfriend, wife, fiance. Absolutely brilliant.
Lovely.
Brilliant one. I really enjoy this style. It's kind of like sort of oldie worldy, sort of 1800s perhaps, you know, style with the writing and the picture, and they look lovely in sepia cut tones, which sort of like brownish colours, or you can really brighten them up depending on who you're sending them to.
So really great for colouring.
Absolutely, but lovely as well for sort of elderly relatives. I think they would really enjoy this style.
Quite traditional.
Absolutely.
Lovely.
Yeah. These are such fun. I love these. If you love to colour, these are fantastic.
Okay. So we've got the Snowy Kisses one.
Yeah, which would be lovely, sort of like from a wife to a husband, husband to a wife, or whatever.
Snowmen and touching noses.
Absolutely. Again, goes with these, you know, these sentiments.
We've got the Rockin' Robin,
which is beautiful.
Yeah,
again, if you
really
love your
cute.
colouring, any of these are fantastic.
and then Carol singing Snowmen.
Snowmen. I love snowmen. Again, they're great for children.
And this is my favourite. North
Yes,
Pole.
yay!
Yeah. Lovely. So they're all available on the Hobbybase website right now, hobbybase.co.uk. Go through to the new arrival section, top left. These are all available to buy now. So, what have we got here?
Well, the Xcut dies are absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so there's 3 in this set that we have here. Xcut dies, great. They give lovely cuts every time. You've got the Father Christmas scene, which I think is rather lovely. You can either do it in a silhouette, or it colours. It depends on you, sort of like the blue and white, or you know, whatever colours you like to use.
I like how they've given an example of how to make it as well here as well,
absolutely.
So 2 dies in there, so you've got the outlay and the outside.
The outside outline and the inner die. Great set. And the scene. So you've got sort of people ice skating. Thank you. Little train, a lovely little scene.
Yeah, that's lovely.
And also you've got sort of the snowflakes, which actually, if you wanted to, although these are attached, you can actually sort of cut them off and use them. Use more. Yeah, absolutely. Around the rest of the card. So good value, that one.
Really nice. And the little one.
I love this. Great for making tags. And you can use, I like to use acetate with the paper on the front, or you could use a backing paper. You know, choice is yours, but that is absolutely beautiful.
So that could hang on its own.
It could do. You could use that if you're absolutely,
inside a card.
Or if you're giving a bottle to someone, sort of hang it around the neck of the bottle.
Yeah, I like that.
And then if you use paper as a backing, you can then write your to and from. So entirely up to you. Lots of things you can do with that one.
Awesome. So they are all available right now on hobbybase.co.uk, and shop away. If you sign up to our newsletter, guys, you get 10% off your very first order, so do that. And we'll speak to you very soon. Bye.
Bye.